Good day and welcome to another episode on Health Zone, and today we are going to talk about Calotropis. Yes, it's a plant. People use the bark and the root bark for medicine. Let's go for a quick break. When we come back, we'll get our topic today in details.
Perfect Living TV above and beyond.
Welcome back from that short break. Now, Calotropis is a plant. People use the bark, the root bark for medicine, and a whole lot. These are some of the names that you can hear on the market, or you can mention for it to be shown to you. We have the aik, we have the ak, we have the akada, aleka, abre de satan, abre a suer, abre a sur de Senegal, aka. Some people also call it Asclepias, Procera, yeah. Calotropis procera, Dead Sea apple. Some also call it the Muda bark. Some also say Muda earcom, Premier de Sodomi. Okay, so some also say the Sodom apple. You can just go online and Google that. Some also say the swallow wort. These are some of the names that you could hear when you are looking for such leaf. Despite serious safety concerns, Calotropis is used for digestive disorders including diarrhea, constipation, and stomach ulcers. For painful conditions including toothache, you can just take a little bite, chew it there, and then your teeth will be okay. Now, cramps and joint pain. You can just take the whole leaf, and then maybe you have a pain in your arm, your joint here, just wrap it around and then you are good to go. You sleep over the night, the next morning you'll be fine. And for parasitic infections including elephantiasis, worms, a whole lot. You can use it for a whole lot of things. Now, some people use the Calotropis for syphilis. Yes, boils. If you have a boil and then you feel that it's becoming unbecoming, you just grind a little and then smear it. Yeah. Inflammation, swelling on your feet, your arm, anywhere. Epilepsy, hysteria, fever, muscular spasm, warts, leprosy, gout, snake bites, and even cancer. This particular leaf can help in doing all these things. In inhalation therapy, smoke from the bark is inhaled for coughs, asthma, and to cause sweating. How does this work? Calotropis contains chemicals that might help thin mucus and make it easier to cough up. In a lot of studies, Calotropis has shown some activity against pain, inflammation, bacteria, fever, and ulcers caused by alcohol and medications such as aspirin, indomethacin, indocin, actually, and others. Now let's look at some uses and effectiveness. Insufficient evidence for toothache, syphilis, epilepsy, fever, leprosy, gout, snake bite, digestive disorders in your stomach, diarrhea, cramps, boils, cancer, even swelling, joint pain, ulcers, cough. When inhaled, all this are good to go. Asthma when inhaled, and then other conditions. There are several other things that you can use this leaf for. Calotropis is unsafe, especially in high doses. It contains chemicals that can interfere with heart function, particularly at high doses. It can cause serious side effects including vomiting, diarrhea, slow heartbeat, convulsions, and even death if it is taken in excess. So make sure you are not allergic to any of these reactions. Now, it is not known whether it is safe to inhale the smoke of this particular leaf, but let's all take precautions. Now let's look at some special precautions and warnings. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. It is unsafe to use Calotropis during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Avoid its use. Moderate interactions. Be cautious with this combination before you use them. Digoxin lanoxane interactions with calotropis. Now, digoxin helps the heart beat more strongly. Calotropis also seems to affect the heart. Taking calotropis along with digoxin can increase the effects of digoxin and increase the risk of side effects. Do not take calotropis with if you are taking digoxin as well without talking to your healthcare professional. Now, lithium interacts with calotropis. Calotropis might have an effect like a water pill or diuretic. Taking calotropis might decrease how well the body gets rid of lithium. This could increase how much lithium is in the body and result in serious side effects. Talk to your healthcare provider before using this leave. If you are taking lithium, your lithium dose might need to be changed. Now, stimulant laxatives interacts with calotropis. Calotropis can affect the heart. The heart uses potassium laxatives called the stimulant laxatives can be decreased potassium levels in the body. Low potassium levels can increase the chance of side effects from calotropis. Some stimulant laxatives include the bisacodyl, which is also the corrector dulcolax, cascara, castor oil, purge, senna, can also be called the Senocot, and others. Now, water pills, diuretic drugs interacts with calotropis. Calotropis might affect the heart. Water pills can decrease potassium in the body. So low potassium levels can also affect the heart and increase the risk of side effects from calotropis. Some water pills can deplete potassium, include the chlorothiazide, the clothalidone, the furosemide, and the hydrochlorothiazide. Now, hydroduryl, microzide, and others. So let's also take note of that. Now, let's look at the doses. The appropriate dose of calotropis depends on several factors such as the user's age, the health implications, the several other conditions. At this time, there is not enough scientific information to determine an appropriate range of doses for this particular herb. Now, keep in mind that natural products are not always necessarily safe, and doses can be very important because they are so risky. Now, since they are in their raw facts, be sure to follow relevant directions on product labels and consult your pharmacist or physician or other healthcare professionals before using them. This is where we end today's episode. I hope you learned something today. I have also learned one. Make sure you share, like, subscribe. Give me your comments below if you have any other uses of this particular herb so that we can all learn together. Make sure you hit the notification button so that you'll be notified anytime we make a post. Thanks for watching.